Hello guys, my name is Nachiket. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to tell you how we can use your spare iPhone for as a webcam for OBS streaming purpose. So first you'll have to head to the OBS website to download OBS. Since I have already downloaded it, and this is how it will look. You have to click on Windows button. It will take you to another site and it will ask you to save it somewhere. I have the file with me right away, so I'm not gonna download it. And you can download and install it. I'll show that as well. So next up is you will have to head to the DroidCam website. So let me open one more time. Just search DroidCam on Google and it should look like this. Scroll a bit down and you can see this option here. Install the DroidCam client on your computer. So you have to head to this website and you'll see this plugin. And then if you scroll down, just click on OBS Studio, OBS plugin. If you click on that, it will take you to another site, and then you can click on the Windows button. So it will take you to another link. Annoying. Click on that and it will ask you to download that. So once you download it, it will look like this and you can open that and check. So so if I open, it will ask me to install and just say click I agree and just do next, the usual stuff, right? So once you install that, go back to your OBS. It should look like this. Add source, then DroidCam OBS. So I'll just do it right now. You can have multiple options like resolution and all. Before that, you need to install one software on your spare iPhone or any phone. So head over to the App Store and search for DroidCam. There will be an app like this. Go ahead and download this one. It would take some time, but then hit open, hit continue, then OK, give access permissions, microphone if you want to, then OK. So far now it is connected, and now we have this IP address along with us and this port. When we have to capture that, I'll just delete the older ones that I am using. I'll create a new one with me. Go to DroidCam OBS, hit OK. I like my resolution as 1080p. Then you enter your IP address 192.168.0.174. I think it is same for same device. And just hit activate. It should pop up right now. So as a quality comparison, this is what we have on our side. This one is for my SC webcam, and this is my laptop's webcam. So you can see the clear difference, and it is for streaming purpose and all. As a quick comparison of the FPS, you can see the more clarity and the FPS on the right hand side in SC's version rather than in this version. And you can also see the background colors looking brighter than the normal one. Thank you guys. This is how you can do it. Peace out, guys.